Hello and welcome. Short explanation how to install and remove the optional memory in the AV-HS6000 mixer. Okay, first you have to remove the front panel with the 4 screws. You cannot see the left ones. Anyway, I unscrew them already. We can take off the front. Then we remove those 4 screws. Not remove, just unscrew, sorry. Take out the fan connectors. And we can take out the sub cover. Now we see the main board that is slided in the unit. There are 2 clamps that we can lift, and then we can take out the main board. Then here is the optional memory. Please be grounded by safety clip or touch the metal part when working on it to avoid static discharges. Okay, now we can, so in this unit the optional memory is installed, so I will remove it by taking those 2 hooks. Oops, the memory comes up and we take it out. So in the case you want to install the memory, you do the same operation. You have the memory, you insert it gently here, then push it down until it clicks, and then we reinstall very gently. There are 2 guides. Gently you let it go down, and at the end you push back the 2 clamps to insert the main board fully into the main unit, and then you mount the subcover again and then the front again. Watch out for this switch, don't change its position. It's the normal safe boot switch. So now it's a normal position and this is the safe boot position. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.